Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I believe by now you already know what is this video all about. Yes, this video is about my home tour, and this is the most requested video I'm making, and I was getting so many DM and requests to make on my home tour. So without wasting any time, let's get inside and I'll give you the tour of my home. I will start with the nameplate because there is a reason behind it. The nameplate you can see is gifted by my best friend, and actually we shifted to this house last year, and when she came to know, she gifted me a very nice door nameplate, and you can see these things. I really like it a lot. I bought it from India, Kolkata airport, and it's really colorful and bright. I really like bright colors. So let's go inside my home. Before I start, I would like to request you not to judge me for anything because my house is very much messy. Because I'm working and things are on my own. I don't have any permanent house help, so basically yeah, things are all on my own, and yeah, I do sometimes get help from outsources, but that is not really a regular thing. So if you find anything messy, which is actually you are going to find so many messy things out here, and please don't judge me based on that. And I hope that you like my today's video, so let's get started. Okay, so the moment you entered, right hand side, there is a guest washroom. Let me show you. It's a very small washroom. You can see. Generally, we don't use this washroom. This is only for guests, so I try to keep it clean as much as possible. And then I kept a small stool and shoe cabinet. Top of the cabinet I tried to decorate in my way. These two pictures, these two frame actually, I bought it from my city, Kolkata. And the big frame you are seeing, this is I bought from Dubai Global Village. And this is some small a kind of tiny arrangement I'm trying to I tried to do it here. And I generally like things to keep simple. This is the shoe cabinet. It's a bit messy. This is the cabinet I try to maintain. There is a plant, and this is the living cum dining room. This is the sofa and sitting area. I really like this simple decoration, so I keep as much as simple I can. So this is the basically this is a new sofa set we bought, and last time we had a recliner and then we changed. So this is the sitting area. This picture of Lord Buddha you are seeing, this is also we bought from Dubai. Exactly opposite side of the sofa set we have a TV unit. It's a very small TV unit. We keep our PS4 and then phone, again indoor plant, and I did some decoration, simple decoration with candles because I love scented candles a lot, so I generally try to keep as many as possible. You can see we have a small temple, and then this is the dining area. All kind of wooden art or structure you are seeing on the wall. We all these are all from Global Village, and I kept some indoor plants. And in the corner also I kept an indoor plant, and again a picture, a frame from my city. I will just zoom in so that you can have a look. We have a small bar counter also. We can store all kind of collection. From the dining area, that is the view. Now I will take you to the kitchen area. This is my kitchen. Luckily I got a really big kitchen with all so many kitchen cabinets. I try to keep all the cabinets like this. This is, I have so many cabinets, and this is actually very helpful to keep things. I have generally so many things to keep inside the kitchen, so it actually helps a lot. This is the cleaning, dish cleaning area, you can say. I have a balcony from the kitchen. Actually, I have 3 balconies in total. I will definitely take you to the balconies. That is the water filter area. We store water bottle, and that is the fridge. Top of the fridge, you can see I kept juicer, mixer grinder, and generally things I generally don't use daily. I keep things top of the those things I try to keep top of the fridge. By the side of the fridge, I kept one storage for onions and potatoes. That's a very little cute thing. We'll move towards bedroom. I kept a corner table and did some very simple decoration. This camel, I bought it from Oman, and again you can see some candles. That decoration is done by me. Indoor plant, again a frame which I bought from my city, India, Kolkata. Now I will take you to the main washroom. This is the main washroom with a bedroom. This is a little bit bigger than the guest washroom, and all the things we need on daily basis, keeping inside the washroom. And that's my bedroom look like. Of course, we have a bed and then 2 side tables with lamp and basic things like water bottle, medicines, charging station, moisturizer, tissue, and we keep our phone on charge over there. And then on my side, I keep my moisturizer handy and water bottle, my vitamins, some skincare oil, and then I keep my tab and headphone handy because most of the time I feel like watch my movie all alone, and that really helps a lot. So that's how I keep my bedroom in a very simple manner. I have so many wardrobes in bedroom, and I'm not going to give you a inside look at this moment because they are not really organized, but hopefully I will definitely give you an inside look. So that's how I maintain my bedroom in a very simple manner. And the picture you can see on the wall, that is again from Global Village, Dubai, and that's the balcony. I will take you later on. You can see 2 mattresses top of the wardrobe that we use for us when we have guests at home. Definitely we offer them our bedroom, and we use those mattresses for us. And that's how I maintain a very simple look of my entire bedroom or home. And I really like to keep things in very simple way. That's the mirror. We get ready every day. Now I'm going to take you to the balcony. This balcony actually is with a bedroom. I kept some outdoor plants. Actually, I had so many plants before, but all died because of the weather. Hopefully winter is coming soon, and then I will again buy some. It's very difficult to keep plants outdoor. That is the view from my balcony. Actually, I told you I have 3 balconies in total. All of them are basically connected. So I started from bedroom side balcony, and this balcony will take you and take me also to kitchen. So it will all go to kitchen, and this is the view. I just hope that you like my today's video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and I believe I will get back to you with a new video very soon. Take care. Bye bye.